reason I chose to become a police officer is to serve the community. I think policing and community policing is very important.
Every instructor here really shows that they care about our success. They take a lot of extra time to make sure that we're well prepared for every exam we take. They're all very passionate about teaching, so it makes it really easy to learn.
This class in particular with crime scene investigations is very important to close cases, speak to victims, suspects, and just in general be closer to a case than we really think.
I think the most helpful thing is that from day one, we've kind of treated this like we're a police squad from the first day. And that just makes this whole learning process that much easier because we all have each other's backs.